This is Thomas, and he's going to give you a tour of Eagle Cliff Mine Guest House.
Okay, so they made little stairs here, and it's kind of like a shed, but not really. And then they could, my mom stick their head in there, and I could see her. And they have a door, and they use some concrete to move it. And then they have a bench for the fireplace and some wood for the fire. We have this really cool fireplace, and I'll go show you that in a little bit. But as you walk back here, they have a trash can and all that stuff. They have that. There's even a signing booklet that you've been here. They have a window and there's metal for that and a lot of stuff. But once you come back here, it's kind of dark. I can't see the flash, but it's the warmest room. And over there, right about there, and a little crack over there, it goes to the chimney. Warm this room up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the top of the chimney over here.
Show them the rocks are on them.
Yeah, and it connects right there. You can see it connects right there. And come back out here. I can walk up here, and I can put stuff in there and show you the chimney. I'm showing them the top of the chimney. Walk up here. That's not hard. And then there's like droppings. Then right there, it's a chimney. I'm right down there. That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.